What's going on, guys? It's Scott, and we are back with two awesome updates that are going to help you guys better serve your customers, automate your customer support, save your team a whole ton of time, and in the end, also make you more money. These updates today both have to do with Customer Hub. So Customer Hub, you'll remember if you go to your settings inside of your account and then go to the Customer Hub tab, right? Customer Hub is where your customers, you can offer this URL right here, just copy and paste the URL, put it in your emails, put it in your receipts, put it in your members area, put it wherever. Right, where your customers can come in, enter their email address, and I'll just do my kind of example. We send them a magic link to their inbox. There's no password, no anything, right? I'll go ahead and let me just refresh. There's the new link. And if I, as a customer, click on this link, I'll be able to go in and see my full payment history with your marketplace. So I can see all of my previous payments. I can see whether they were charged or refunded. I can open up invoices and download them and get a sense of what did I pay for, what card did I use, all that good stuff. Well, the two new updates that we have today have to do with how your customers can manage their own subscriptions inside of Customer Hub. It's a setting that you can decide to let your customers cancel their own subscriptions or say, no, you have to contact me in order to cancel your subscription. If you choose to let your customers do it, so you're giving your customers more self-service support by letting them cancel their subscriptions, you will notice down here, that's exactly what we have. We have buttons to update our card and buttons to cancel subscription. Right here, this is a yearly subscription. I just bought it this morning, right? But if I go ahead and click cancel and confirm cancel, what's going to happen is that this subscription is not canceled right away. This subscription is canceled at the end of the billing cycle. So your customers, all those actions you might have inside of the integration engine that say, hey, remove this tag or remove this person from a course or, whatever, will not run until the billing period is done. This customer, me, has paid for a year up front. So now at any point, if they choose to cancel that, they will keep access to everything until the billing period has ended. So instead of taking everything away right away, right, they're going to have it end at the end of their billing cycle, which is super awesome. It's a great one. You guys don't have to worry about partial refunds or worry about any kind of stuff. We are taking care of that for you. The second update is for payment plans. So you'll notice this subscription up here is not a monthly subscription. This is a payment plan, right? Also known as a limited subscription inside of SamCart. It's basically X payments of blank, right? 3 payments of $100 or 2 payments of something, right? Typically, right, payment plans are not something that you want your customers to cancel. They have agreed. It's not a subscription that they can cancel anytime like Netflix or Hulu or something. This is more about you've agreed to buy something and I'm giving you a chance to spread it out over multiple payments. So from today forward, payment plans are not eligible for self-cancellation. So you can let your customers cancel other subscriptions like we did with the yearly billing, or if you had monthly memberships or some other types of subscriptions, but every single payment plan is no longer eligible for subscription or for self-cancellation rather. So those are payments that you have agreed your customer is going to take on, your customer is going to continue to pay you, and they will not have an option to do exactly that. So inside of Customer Hub just became an even more important tool for you guys to limit customer support headaches, to give your customers self-service help and places to go find more information that they need and save more of your team's time to reinvest back into the growth of your business. So head into your account, grab Customer Hub, share this link far and wide, turn on self-cancellation, and enjoy these new updates. If any of you guys are watching this and you are not using SamCart, you want to make use of Customer Hub and other things like that, head over to SamCart.com. You can get a free trial to SamCart today. I'm Scott Moran, co-founder here at SamCart. Thank you guys for watching. We'll be back with more updates real soon.